Hey everybody, welcome back to Big Ol' Bill's Barbecue. My sister's got a wedding coming up, so you know what that means? Pulled pork. We're gonna make a whole whack load of it. Follow along so you can do it too. Let's get it. We're gonna start out with our binder being maple syrup. This is a homemade maple syrup from a friend of ours. We're gonna pour it on there, just rub it in so that way our rub can stick a little bit better. Okay, you wanna make sure you get all sides covered in that binder. You don't need too much, just enough so that way the binder will hold your seasoning on perfectly. All right, so we're gonna use our Sasquatch BBQ Rub. This is a homemade rub that I've made myself. Perfect for pulled pork. Okay, we're just gonna get a nice liberal coating on there. Look at that color in there, it's just beautiful. Okay, make sure you get all sides. That way when it's cooking down, you get flavor in every little nook and cranny of that pulled pork. Can't stress it enough, that color on that rub for the pulled pork, wow, it's gonna look phenomenal once we get it smoked. Like I said before, you want to make sure you get every surface of this pulled pork so we get a nice flavor combination when it's all smoked up and ready to go. All right, so when you're done seasoning your pork loin, this is what it should look like, a nice cherry red color, ready for the smoker. Okay, 1 down, 3 more to go. Hyper speed now, make it way easier. All right, we got them all seasoned up. They look delicious. They smell amazing. I wish you could be here to smell it too. We're gonna take them out to the smoker and we'll get them going. All right, I thought maybe you guys would like to see a nice little time lapse of me starting up the smoker. Here it is, enjoy. All right, we got our pit fired up. She's rolling hot. We're gonna throw our whack load of pulled pork onto our smoker. We'll come back when it reaches about 160 degrees so we can wrap it up. We'll see you there. Oh, baby. look at that pork. I'm gonna bring you real close. All right, we'll see you back when it hits 160. We are 4 hours in. We've come outside just to give our pulled pork a little bit of a spritz. To spray it down, we're using a Mike's Hard alcoholic beverage along with a mix of maple syrup to get that nice sticky coating on the outside, get that beautiful bark that we're looking for. All right, our probe is telling us that we're at 160 degrees. We're gonna pull them off the smoker. Let's take a look, see what that bark looks like. Oh, baby, it's perfect. Okay, we're gonna throw it onto our tin foil. We're gonna use up a little bit of butter, a little bit of extra of our Sasquatch BBQ Rub, that homemade rub that looked ever so beautiful pre-smoking. Okay, we have got our butter already cubed into little cubes. We're gonna put 4 little cubes right on top. And we're gonna wrap it up. And away we go, we'll throw it back onto the smoker. Once again, because we are doing a whole whack load of pulled pork, I threw it into time lapse so that way it's quicker and easier for you guys to watch the whole process. All right, and we're done. We've hit 205 degrees. Color on it is beautiful. Look at that juice already sitting in the bottom. Let's try and pull it apart. Oh, man, it's so tender. It just fell apart in the air when I wasn't even trying to pull it. Look at that. It just breaks apart like nothing. That money muscle. Man, this stuff is good. I can't wait to get a try.
George, you want some? Too bad.
After hours of hard work, this is our finished product. Now make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell icon so you can stay up to date with everything we do each week. We'll see you next week.